I was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exams to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty, who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone, which is really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother. I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on
Good morning, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So, Deepti ma'am, you can start the session. Hello, Deepti ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, good morning, Chandana. You're audible.
Yeah.
I can start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, fine. Just give me a second. I will share my screen. Yeah, is my voice clear and is my screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible and voice also audible. Perfect.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, so very good morning, everyone. So today is our last day for our workshop, okay, for Project Bootcamp program. And as we already completed the 4 days, so in that already we have done with the kickoff meeting, we have done with the understanding of your data set and implementation of your KPIs using Excel. Then on 28th, we have discussed about the Excel dashboard, how to create the dashboard from your raw data. Then we have seen the implementation of KPIs using the Power BI in yesterday's session. And today is our final day that we are discussing about the Power BI dashboard. Okay. So let me move towards the Power BI dashboard. Yeah. So in that, whatever data was there, so that data we have already loaded in Power BI using this get data option. So you can get the data from multiple sources. Okay, so you can click on this one, and wherever you have the data, you can get the data from that particular source, and you can load that data in the Power BI. Okay, so if you will feel that your data is perfectly all right, you can directly start creating the visualization. But if you feel that your data is not cleaned, we can directly open that data in the Power Query editor. So we can go to this customer edit query option is there. So once I will go to the edit query, you can see that that particular dashboard will be, or particular data will be available in the Power Query editor. All right. See here. So this is my Power Query data. So we don't have to do anything. Just check whether data is your correct or not. So everywhere it is giving me the output as 100% valid data, right? Then same with the product data. So product data also, if you consider everywhere, I don't have any errors, no empty cells. My entire data is perfectly all right. Then last will be my sales data, and that sales data also we have already checked. We have already changed the data type and everything, and that data we have loaded in the Power Query editor, right? So once your data is perfectly all right, you can click on this, close and apply. And now my entire data is available in the Power BI desktop. Okay. So for that, there are three options are available, four options rather three. Currently, Microsoft has added one more feature, that is a DAX query view. So here we can consider this is a report view. Second one is a data view, in which you can see what kind of data you are having, what are the different columns you have, and same way this is the modeling view. So what is the use of modeling? To do the connection between the data. So as my data was clean and everything was proper, automatically it has done the connection between the data using this particular connection. This is called as a node or connection. And all my sales data, customer data, and the product data are connected with each other, right? What is a common column between both customer data and sales data? If I will click on my node, customer ID is my common column, right? If I will click on this particular node, product ID is a common column, right? So on the basis of that, this is called as a merging your data, okay? Creating your own data model. So for this particular data model, we have the one main table that is called as the sales data, and to which we are connecting the customer data and the product data, right? So this is called as what data model. So data model consists of the multiple tables are connected with each other, okay? Once my data is connected with each other, I can go to the report view and I can decide what kind of KPIs I wanted to create, okay? So first we have seen the region-wise cells in which I have just taken the map so that whatever information I want, I can just put that particular map here. Second, we have taken the order date-wise sales value. So in that, if I will click on this particular value, this is date-wise information. I can go to the drill up. I can see the upper level, that is monthly sales, which month is performing good. So if I will observe this particular chart, I can easily understand my February month is having very less sales. Can you see? Only 11.12. But if I will go for other, everywhere I'm getting good amount of sales, right? So I need to focus why my February month is not good for my company. I can do what are the changes I want, that changes I can do. I can find out the reason why it is not good. And I can focus on that specific area and increase the sale in the month of February. I can go to the up level. This is yearly, quarterly. So in the quarter, which quarter is performing good? Third quarter. That means in the month of August, September, October, I'm having a good amount of sale here. And similarly, lowest will be in the quarter one. So why it is lowest, that already you have observed in the previous chart. February is having very less, right? That's why quarter one is low. So if I will improve my February month, definitely I can get a good amount of sales in the month of January, February, and first quarter, right? I can go to the top level. So in the top level, what I can observe here, before it was good in 2015, but 16, I'm getting less sales. Now 17 is again good for me, but again 18 is less. So it is up, down, it is doing. Why it is going down, why I'm not getting the good amount of sales in the month of 2018. So that I need to focus and I need to find the particular reason for that, right? Similarly, I can find the top and bottom three customers on the basis of their sales value, right? So these are the top three customers. These are the bottom three customers, right? Now I can see the product category wise sales. So these are the multiple products I'm having. So beverages, we have the meat and poultry, we have the different dairy products, seafoods. Okay, multiple things are there, grain, cereals, right? So depending on that, which is having good, beverages are having the good amount of sales for my company, right? So next is the dashboard. So today we need to work on the which concept? Dashboard concept, right? So for the dashboard concept, what I want, whatever charts I have created on the previous sheet, I will just copy all the charts, right? So this is the first chart which we have already taken here. Okay. So first I wanted to design the layout for my particular dashboard. Okay. So let me first highlight. So if I will go to this one, this is suppose my entire dashboard. In this dashboard, this is my first chart. Same way, I will put the another two chart. One is with the less value, one is with the more value. That is top and bottom three. Along with that, I have the two more charts. So one I will put it here, one I will put it here. I can add some navigation to this one so that I can go to that specific page. I can add some cards, total sales, total list value, total price, whatever it is there, numerical data, right? Now I can give to the name to my particular dashboard over here. And this entire section I can keep for slices. And suppose if I have any images, I can add that. Suppose this is the country. Here I'm having the yearly information. Again, I will put some other data like products. Here I can put the different customers like that, right? So this just the simple idea behind that. I wanted to put all the 4 to 5 different things together, right? Whatever charts we have created in yesterday's session. So today we have to create our own dashboard. This is just the rough layout of my dashboard. It depends on your choice, what kind of dashboard you want. Depending on arrangement, you can move up and down and you can do the arrangement of your charts, right? Now, let me clear this. I will just go to the, this is the country-wise cells, which we have already copied. Let me go to this one. Click on this one, Control C. I will go to the dashboard. I will paste it here. Arrangement, I can do it later. Control V. Same way, I will go to the top and bottom. click on this one, Control C. I can directly go to the dashboard and I can paste it. All right. Now again, I will go to the last option, that is product category wise cells. Click on this one, Control C, and I will go to the dashboard, Control V. Just copy and paste it in the one sheet, right? Now I need to do the arrangement to arrange my all the charts together properly, right? So this is my first chart. This is my, as top and bottom, I decided to put the values here. So I will just reduce the size this way. If you want vertical, you can put vertical as well. That is up to you. So I will just reduce the size. This is fine. I will go for next one, that is lowest value. And the lowest value, I will drag it here. Okay. So I can rename this one. If I wanted to change the name of this particular chart, I can rename that, right? So this is the line chart. Again, the size of the chart I will reduce. And I can arrange as per my requirement, okay? So this line chart, I will put it here. Because I've decided my layout this way. If you want any other way, definitely you can choose that. So this I will reduce a little bit. All right, because line chart should be a little bit bigger so that it will be visible to me. Okay. So this we can rename. So just we can edit or let it be some of the total sales by customer, top and bottom, right? Now all the charts in proper manner. Even this chart also, I can arrange properly. So this is also done, right? So here my background is not matching here and here. So I will just click on the particular chart, format printer, and I can paste it here. But it won't look good. So that's fine. I will keep same as it is, right? Now what I wanted to give the name to my particular dashboard. And I wanted to add some slicer here. So as I said, first we'll go for slicer section. I will go for slicer. And in this slicer, I will just arrange the slicer over here. In that, I will go for product and I will go for product category. Got these product categories, right? Now I will go to the formatting and I will do some changes in my slicer. Okay. Instead of vertical list, I can go with a drop down. I can go with a button kind of thing. Okay. So this way I can put the different buttons. Correct. So here this is very small. I will just do the changes in that header. I will go to the values and let me increase the size. 14 is not fitting here. So let me go with 12. Even 10 is fine. Let me make it bold. Yeah. Or 11 we can put. Yes, 11 is fine. Everything is fitting here, right? Font color, I will go for white color. And the background color, that is a background, I will go for a darker color. So you decide what theme you want, and on the basis of that, you can put the different color. So I've just taken the black and gray color combination in my charts. So this is having the different colors and all. So if you want the border, you can add the border and just increase the color. I will go for gray color I can take and just let me increase the width. So it will just look like a box, but again, I should fit each and everything here. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay. So this way I've just added the slicer over here. Now after the slicer, I need to put the more slicer. This is just the category of that particular product category, right? Even I wanted to put the slicer for year. What I will do, I will go to this 1, 2, 3 button. And in this one, I will just search for year, where you have the year. I will just go with the year. I will select the year, right? I got the total count of year, right? So count of, I don't want. See, we have the count distinct, 4 count of year we have, or you can just go with this one. Some average maximum, whatever you want, you can select that. And now I will go for a format. Okay, so this is the slicer we want, right? Sorry, I'm not going for a card. I will go for a slicer. So slicer, I will go to the formatting and I will just put again the button kind of thing. So I will go to the tile option. So got the 4 year like this. So it will be easy for me to select the data, right? So click on this one, okay? And format painter, and I will just paste it on this particular year, correct? Got the yearly information, got the product wise. What else we can put? Customer names are so many customers, right? Country we can add. One more slicer we can add with the country. So I will add another slicer. I will just copy the formatting from here, format painter, and I will paste it here, right? I will add the country. So we can go for the, I will search for country. Whatever information you have, you can take that. I will go for country. Got all the country names, but see, these buttons are very small. Even all countries are not fitting. I will go for drop down list option. That will be easy for me because more distribution data, we cannot go for a vertical list. We can go for tile also, we cannot do. We can go for a drop down list, right? So I got this particular drop down list. Whatever country I want, I can select from there and I can see the result, correct? So these are the 3 different slices I have added. If you want more, you can put the more. Now I will go with a single card. Single card is used to showcase the total value. So total means numerical data, what we have the sales amount. First card, I will take the total sales amount. I got the sum of the sales value, correct? So we can just do the basic formatting in this one. I will go with the call out values. Currently it is 45. I will just go with the 30, right? And let me make it bold. Color black is fine for me. Display unit, display unit is also fine, million, right? Because data is too much. So automatically it will take the display unit. But if you want, you can change from here, right? So here I will just increase the size and let me make it bold, and color I will go with the black. Same formatting I'm doing for entire chart, right? Sum of the total sales. Now what I will do, I will just try to fit all these cards over here. Okay, so I will put the general and background color. Effects, we can put the gray color. This is too dark. I need to go with a lighter color. Okay, so this is my single card. All right. What I will do, I will just take the another single card and I will just format the painting. Okay, I will go for another card. Click on this format painter and I will paste it here so that I can see the value properly. All right. So this is my second card. Control C, one more time, Control V, Control V. So you have to arrange all your cards in a proper manner so that it will fit in that specific space. Okay. Power BI is very good tool in which you can see all the alignments and all are done automatically. See the red color dotted line. It is helping you to do the proper arrangement of your cards. I will go for second card. I will go for total sales already done. Units sold. Correct. 1 million units sold. I will go for a next card. I can see the product name. I will go with the product name. But I don't want to see the first product. I want to see total how many products are present. I will go with the count. So total 77 products are present. So I can see automatically which areas is having which product, right? Now let me go with the last one. Yeah. So for the last one, I can go with the customer and I will go with the customer name. Okay. So total how many customers are present that I can see. Count of the customer. 89. Okay, I got all the information in one place. That is a numerical information, and that is called as what? Single card. So all the single card is having the sum of the total sales, how many units sold are there. Okay, what is the total count of your products? What is the distinct count of your product name, right? Everything is present here. Now I wanted to give the name to my dashboard, correct? So I will just go with the particular button. So I will go to the insert tab, insert. Let me go with the button, and I will go with the, either you can go with a blank button or you can go with any shape, that is up to you. Okay. So whatever shape you want for your particular dashboard name, you can put that. Suppose if I've taken this shape, right? But this color also I can select. I will go to the view. I will just put the different color here, whatever you want, you can select that or click on this. I will go to the style and let me go with the same color as a darker color. I will go with the suppose black color, and the text I can add it here. So I can put the text. I will give the name as what? Sales dashboard. Okay, this is just the shape. I will give the name as sales dashboard. Okay. So we can increase the size as it is a dashboard. I will put the bigger size of the dashboard, bold. Font color white is looking good because background I have selected the darker color. All right. Now this I will move to the corner. So I need to fit that entire dashboard in this particular place. If you want in the middle, you can put it in the middle. That is up to you, right? What I want, this dashboard, I wanted to connect with the particular website. Okay. So you can put any image over here. So we can just put the image here. I will go to the insert and then I will go for image. So you can browse the image where you have the image, downloads or desktop, and you can browse the image. I will go to this one. So whatever image you are having, you can download that specific image and you can use for the visualization. So nothing is here. Website images. Yeah. So I have the multiple images. I can link in with the LinkedIn. I can link with Amazon. I can link with this Facebook, Twitter. So let me go with Amazon. I will click on OK. Right. So I've just taken the Amazon image. I can reduce the size of that so that I can fit that particular image next to my dashboard. All right. Perfect. So I've just added my image here, Amazon image. Okay. Now what is my requirement here? If I will click on this particular image, I should go to that particular website. So I will turn on the action. Which action I will select here? I wanted to go to the dashboard, not to the dashboard. I want to go to the particular website. Okay. So here I need to type the web URL. So I will just write the HTTPS. You can go for any website, www.amazon.com. If you know the website link, you can directly type. If you don't know, directly go to that website and copy the link and paste it here. Okay, so that is an Amazon link. Okay, what I want, I need to add some buttons over here. So that is clear the slicer. So if I will go to the button, we have the question and answer. We have the blank button. I will go with this Q&A. Very small button, but that buttons are very helpful. Okay. So this is Q&A button. I will just put it here. Okay. Similarly, I will again go to the button and I will just add the help button. So I can add the help button also. You can add the download button also. Whatever buttons you want, you can just put that specific button and you can get the dashboard, right? Again, I will go to the button. I will go for clear all slicer. So whatever space I'm having, that space I need to utilize for visualization, right? Don't keep the blank space in the dashboard. You have to utilize entire space, correct? Now if you feel that here one space is left, right? Why this space is left? Because I wanted to put the navigation. I wanted to go to the specific page. If I will click on that, right? So again, I will go to the button, all right? And inside that, I will go for navigation and I will go for page navigation, all right? So can you see I got this page navigation? So you have to fit that navigation in this particular data. So how to fit? What I will do, this slicer, I will arrange here so that this entire section is for the slicer and this navigation, I will put it here. So you have to arrange properly so that everything will fit there, correct? Can you see everything is available now? So formatting, I can go to this one and home tab, format painter, you can paste it here, right? And if you want the background color and all, you can add that background color as well. So I will go to the shape and I will go to the style. Text is fine. Font color is black. And the background color, we will just put the background color. So we can add the shadow, we can add the glow, right? Can you see it is a pop-up buttons kind of thing? And the fill color, I will go for whatever color you want. So let me go with the same gray color, right? So this will look like a buttons, okay? This is the navigation buttons. This is the dashboard name. This is Amazon link. This is the clear slicer, question and answer. And this is your Q&A. And this is the whatever question you're having, you can ask the question to the data, right? So now my all the charts are arranged properly. Everything is proper. Let me minimize this one, filter section, minimize this one. So this is my dashboard, okay? What I said, you have to create the dynamic dashboard here. So dynamic means what? It should change according to your selection, right? So if I will click on 15, all charts are changing for 15, 16, 17, 18. If I will go for beverages, if I will go for this one, can you see all charts are changing? And clear all slicer. Just press the control click and click on this one. Can you see back to original data? If I click on this one, all charts are changing according to that. If I click on this one, all charts are changing, your map is changing, correct? So only that specific person is available from which area that is highlighted here. Can we see country? How much is the total sales for that, right? If I will control and click on Amazon, I'm on the Amazon page. Directly you are linking your dashboard with the Amazon, correct? So this is a very good feature we have. And if I will go to the country-wise cells, control and click on country-wise cells. You're on which page now? Country-wise cells. What I want, same like your Excel, I wanted to add some button here. So that button should go to the dashboard again. What I will do, I will again go to the insert button. I will put the arrow, right arrow, right? So this arrow, I will just put it here. So color, text, whatever you want that you can decide. You can put any shape also, that also you can link, right? What is my requirement? If I will click on this one, I should go to the where? Dashboard. So I will turn on the action. Which action I want? Navigation, right? And what is my destination over here? Dashboard. Not only for this page, for all the pages, my destination is what? Dashboard. So control this particular button, go to the orders data, control V, go to the second one, top customer, bottom customer, control V. Same way, product data, control V. Everywhere I'm just pasting the particular button. Okay. Now let me go to the dashboard. Control and click on country wise cells. You're on the country wise cells sheet. Click on this one. You're back to the dashboard. Again, if I'll click on this one, order date sheet. If I will click on this one, you are on the dashboard page. Okay. So this is the dashboard which we have created, and as per our requirement, whatever dashboard we want, that dashboard we can show it here, right? Now what I want, suppose after creating this dashboard, if you're not feeling good that this dashboard is not looking good and all, right? You can change the charts and all. So what we can do, we can go to the, let me click outside first. Yeah, so currently I'm on the dashboard. I will go to the view tab. Now in the view tab, you have the multiple options. If you're not happy with that color formatting and all, you feel that no, I can go with the other color. So I will just go with this particular color. So can you see entire background color dashboard is changing, but this is also not looking good. I can go with the blue color background. Yes, all charts are changing. Can I go with any other theme? Yes, you can choose whatever theme you want. Yeah, can you see all the charts, all the dashboard, everything is on the basis of that theme, right? Correct. If you want any background color should be added, right? So I will go to this one. This theme I don't want. I just want the different background color, right? I will go to the normal theme, whatever we have done. And without clicking on any chart, I will go to the formatting section, canvas background. Okay. Inside the canvas background, you can take any color as a background. So we can go with the green color, we can go with any color, but currently the color is not visible to me. I will just reduce the transparency. Can you see? Automatic that background color effect is coming here, right? If you want any other color, you can do that particular color, right? And your charts are changing. Suppose this chart, I'm not happy with this. I can go to the format and here I can convert that to the area chart. Can you see now? So here my drill down option is available. I can go to the deep level of the particular data, right? So if I wanted to go to the up, I can see the quarterly, yearly information, right? Everything is linked with each other. Now let me go to the Q&A, question and answer. Once I will click on Q&A, this pop-up will open. You can ask any question about the data, right? Whenever you will go to any website, any college website, any school website, or any hospital website, or anything, you can see that Q&A frequently, or FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, right? If I will just write here country, let me just write the country. Or show products. If I'll click on just show products, can you see it is showing me that what are the products are available with you? Product name and all, right? Similarly, whatever questions already the people has asked, that questions are available. So suppose if I will write the total sale. Can you see got the answer? Whatever card is giving you the answer, the same answer is available here. Let me close this 145. Can you see 145.28? So whatever answer is available with them, so that answer you can see in the Q&A section. Okay. And this is a clear slicer. If I'm selecting the specific information, suppose green, my all the dashboard is showing for the green. Now, if I will go to the clear all slicer, I'm back to my original data, right? 15, only 15 information, clear all slicer, back to original data. Okay. So all the charts, everything is linked with each other, correct? If I will go for the particular product as a beverages, right? Now let me go to that particular sheet. Beverages is having the which one product by this one. Can you see here? This is a chart. Okay. What I wanted to add the another page over here. In that, I wanted to see the insights or the information about all the charts. I will just write insights. Okay. Once I will write the insights, I will just do the Control V for that particular button so that I can go to the dashboard again from here. Okay. So let me just move this inside before the dashboard. Okay. In this particular page, I will go to the insert and I can insert any text box here. So this is my entire text box. I will select the size 20. Let me make it bold. So here I will just put the KPI 1, KPI 1. Similarly, KPI 2 and the KPI 3 and the KPI 4. So whatever insight or information is there that I wanted to paste it here, KPI 4. All right. What I will do, I will go to that specific page. I will get the information and I will paste it here. This is a very good way how you can get the information from your data. So I will click on this particular chart, right click. Can you see the summarize option, everyone? Summarize. So click on summarize. Okay, so I will go to the custom option. So I got this summary from my data set. Okay, so Control C, I will go to the inside page, and after the KPI 1, I will do the Control V. So this is the data which I've copied. Again, I will go to the country wise cells and Control C. I will go to the inside and I can paste it here. Same way, one more is there. So you can go to the specific particular chart and you can find the meaningful information for that particular data. Control C. I will go to the inside and I will just paste it here. Control V, right? Now, this entire data, I will just increase the size. Okay. So I can go with the 14. Let me make it bold. Okay, same way, I will go to the KPI 2 and that is order date wise this one, right click and summarize. Custom option, you can see the summary over here, right? For all the charts, you will get the detailed information about your data. Okay, so this is the summary. Okay, Control C. I will go to the inside and from there I can delete, right? Control V. Yeah, same way I will go to the third one. So click on the chart, right click and summarize. Same way you have to do it for all the charts. Okay, Control V. Again, top and bottom. Control C and paste it here. So this way you can find the meaningful information from your data. Fourth KPI, same way you can go for that minimum also and you can find the information. Right click, summarize and custom. Go to the inside and I will paste it here. Okay, again the same way, size 14 and so we just left with the last one, that is this sheet. Click on the chart, summarize, and I got the details. Control C inside, and I can paste it to the KPI 4. Okay. And the same way. Control P. Okay, I got all the information in one place. Now I can go to that particular sheet and I can delete that particular information. I will remove from everywhere because now I don't want. I've already copied the information. Click on this remove. It won't take much time, hardly 5 minutes. You can get all the information about your data and just let me remove. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and let me go for map and let me remove that also. Yes, that's all. Okay, now we can go to our dashboard page. So this is my dashboard page. Okay, can you see automatically the insight button is added here? So I will go to the insight, got the detailed information, KPI 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is in one place. What is the output of your first? How much is the total value? USA has the highest sum of the sales value, that is 85% higher than UK, which had the lowest value. Everything is in detail, right? We don't have to find the meaningful information here, correct? So just this also, if you want, you can. Because everywhere I've selected the 40. Now it's fine, right? So I got all the information. Now if I click control and click on this one, I'm back to my dashboard. Okay. If I will click on this one, I can see that specific information. If I click on 16 here, I can see that. From here also, I can go for any specific country. Suppose first country, or if I wanted to go with the Denmark, I can see the Denmark information. Even map is also showing only the Denmark. Can you see? Other information is already hidden, right? If I wanted to remove the slicer, which I've applied, control and click on this, all slices are removed from there. I'm back to my original data, right? So this way, whatever charts, whatever things you want, you can take according to your choice and you can create your own dashboards. Okay. Everything is linked. All the values are also changing. Control and click on this one. You're back to that particular chart, right? Here I can apply the drill down, drill down, drill down. I can see the lowest level of the detail. I can go with the highest. I can go to my own dashboard page, right? And this way we can create the different charts, visualization, and I can show it in the map. Suppose if you feel that this map is not looking good in this dashboard, okay, somewhat different it is looking. So if you're not happy with this, you can go with any other chart. Suppose I can go with this also, right? I can go with the other options also. If I will go with the simple bar chart, I can select the bar chart, okay? And the background color, if you feel that, yeah, this background is not looking good, I will click on this, I will go to the format. So background color will be available in this one, general option, effects, and see the background color. That is not matching with you. I can select whatever background I want. Can you see? Now it is highlighted, right? Even the bar colors, if you want different, you can select the different bar colors, different size, right? And if I wanted to highlight this USA in the different color, right? I will go to the visualization. I will go with the bars and I can apply whatever color I want, right? Currently it is showing me the one color to all. I would go for what is that? USA. USA is having the highest value. Can you highlight in the darker color? Definitely. And UK is having the lowest value. Can I highlight UK in the light color? Definitely yes. So UK, I can highlight in the lighter color. So lighter gray also, green also you can take. Or if you want blue, you can go with the blue also. So that is up to you which color, what combination you want. You can choose that combination and select the values, right? Can you see? So the person can easily understand, yes, USA is having the highest value and UK is having the less value, right? So if I will click on this, automatically the values are reducing, automatically the values are increasing. Can you see? Everywhere. It is a dynamic dashboard. As per the customer's requirement, as per the product requirement, you can see the different outputs are available to you. Correct? This is the layout of my dashboard in which I can see the whatever charts I have created. I have added the slicer section to see the dynamic dashboard. I have added the cards to see the total value. Okay. Count of customer, only one customer information because I've selected only one customer, right? If I will go to the control and click on this one, it will give you the different answer for the all customers, right? Control and click on this one. So automatically you can see that specific information. Control and click. Without control and click, it will not work. Okay. So you can go to the product data, click on this one, back to the original dashboard. Right? Can you see now everything is back? So this way you can decide whatever color you want, whatever theme you want, and on the basis of that, you can put the colors, right? Suppose even this is also not visible to you. What I will do, the style I can go and see in the style, we can add the field color. So field color, I can go with whatever color you want. Suppose we can go with a black color. Can you see black color? So that that button will be highlighted. Even this color, you can copy the formatting from here. So you have to see what color combination you want, what information you want, format filters, right? Yeah. So this is the Q&A, and this one, I will go to the insert and I can select the help, right? Why it is copying? Because I have copied the formatting from there. Okay. So that's why it is showing you the same image. Yeah. So now it is fine. Yes. I will click on this one. I will go to the again style. Yeah. Can you see the field color is off? I will turn on the field color. And here I can go to the, right? Even the clear slicer, I will add the field color. I can go with the dark color. So automatically that color will be added. So if you want black, you can go with the black also, right? So these are the buttons kind of thing. And if button is dark, I can put the text color as a white so that it will be highlighted. So text color, font color, I can go with the white color. Now can you see it is automatically visible to you. So here I will go with the clear all slides. So let me make it bold. So it will be very clear to the user also. They can easily understand, right? All color, all the settings you can match according to your requirement. Okay. So this is our dynamic dashboard in Power BI. So we have started from the scratch in yesterday's session. So how you can get the data from here. So home tab, we can go to the data, get data, and you can choose whatever location you are having the data. And after getting the data, we have just opened that data in the Power Query editor. So in the Power Query editor, you can use that data for the data cleaning purpose. Once your data is clean, you can load that data for the data modeling. Okay. Why data modeling? Because if you have the two or more than two data set, we can do the connection between the data. So depending on the connection between the data, we have the 4 different types of cardinality. That is one to many to one to one, and many to many. And whenever you are doing the connection between the data, that structure it will form. It will form the some image kind of thing like this. So on the basis of connection between this, we have the 3 different type of schema. First one is called as a star schema. So currently this is a star schema. One is main table to which you are connecting the dimension tables. Okay. And then after the star schema, we have the galaxy and we have the snowflake schema. So again to this table, we have the subtables are connected with this that is called as a snowflakes. And Galaxy means there is no limit of tables. You can connect n number of tables in the Galaxy schema, but practically Galaxy schema is not possible. It will slow down your system, right? Otherwise, you can go with the Galaxy also, right? After doing the connection, we need to go to the report page, and in the report page, you can just rename this particular page with a different KPI name. Or if you give the KPI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will show like a same KPI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after creating this, you decide which chart is suitable for the particular data, and on the basis of that, you can go with that particular chart, right? This is the order data, orders date wise sales value. So whenever you are having the date in the form of hierarchy, we can see the lowest level of the data and we can see the highest level of the data. That is called as a hierarchy in your data set, right? Then in the same place, you can see the top and bottom values together. Who are the top 5 customers for my company? Who are the bottom 5 customers for my company? So that I can give the good offers to this 3 customers, and this customer, if I will discard also, if I will not give the good amount of discount, still okay for my company, because they're not giving me so much of profit for the company, right? This way you can analyze your data. Then product category wise sales value. So here we have the sum of the total sales by product category. So which category is performing good? Beverages are performing good for my company. And same way, if I will go to the grains and cereals that are having the less sales value, right? Now, after that, we have just taken the insight so that everyone has seen how we can find the insight or information from your data set. Okay, all the information is one place. So KPI 1, KPI 2, KPI 3, and KPI 4. If you have the more KPIs, you can just put more pages and you can add that detailed information over here, right? And after that, we have the dashboard. So dashboard is also connected with this. So this is a dashboard in which you can see all the detailed information. Now for this, I will just rename this new page with the table. Okay, so I've just given the name as what? Table. And here also I will do the Control V so that the button will be copied. Or let me go to the inside, click on this, Control C. I will go to the table page and I will copy here, Control V. Okay. What I want here, I will just put the table. Why table? Because the person can see the detailed information of the data, right? So I can put whatever data I want here. So suppose if I will go with the customer name wise, I can add the unit price. I can go to the sales data. I can add the sales, total sales. I can add the unit price. I can add the date information, right? Everything is present. Now I can add the product information along with that, correct? Product category I can add. I can add the product name. So whatever detailed information you want, you can put that detailed information inside the table, right? So this is my table. All the data will be available inside the table, correct? Or you can give the name as data also. If you don't want to give the name as table, if you feel that this is not looking good, you can give the name as what? Data. That means whatever information we are having in our data set, right? So all the data will be available here, right? So I will go to the dashboard. Can you see automatically once I will add that particular data is also added here next to the dashboard. If I will just move the position of this before the data, correct? Dashboard is the last. I have the insights, I have the data, I have the charts, everything is linked with each other. So final, we will just see that. If I will go to the country-wise cells, I'm on the country-wise cells, click on this one, back to the original data, again orders data, you are here. If I wanted to see the data, I can go to the data tab, I can see the detailed information about the data. Again, I will go back to my original dashboard. I can apply some slicer, 15, grains, dairy product, okay? And if I click on the particular information about that specific country, so all slices and filters are applied to the data. If I wanted to go back to my original data, I will clear all the slicers back to my original data, right? So again, if I will go to the insights, I'm on the insights page, come back to the data, control and click, you go back to your dashboard. So this way, this is our dynamic dashboard, which is linked with our website, which is linked with all the question and answer, FAQs. It is connected with all the charts, with the navigation. You can apply all the slicers, filters, navigation, everything. So this way, you can create your own dynamic dashboard in Power BI. So day one, we have started with the same way. If I will go to the presentation again. So our bootcamp program, in that we can see this is our timeline. So in that timeline, we can see all the dates when we have to complete which target. So as per our timeline, we have done with our all the both the dashboards along with understanding of the data in both the tools and how we can load the data and get the meaningful insight. So this is the raw data. From that raw data, you can see today we have created the very good dashboard. So these are the different KPIs, whatever we have already showcases in that, right? And the finally dashboard. So this is just the image of the dashboard. We can put our own dashboard images, right? So let me just show you that different visualizations finally. So how to import the data. So here you can see everything, whatever is there. Data importing is done, data cleaning is done, data modeling is done, creating the pivot table and charts, creating the dashboard, design your layout, apply the slicer, filter, timeline, KPIs, format as per your requirement, and final our dashboard is ready. Okay. So whatever things that already we have seen in detail in all the sessions, okay, data modeling, cleaning, pivot table, everything, creating the dashboard from the scratch, right? And finally, our dashboard is ready. So this is the Netflix dashboard. We have just created the sales dashboard. So you can work on any data and you can create your own dashboard. Thanks everyone for listening and completing successfully this workshop with me. So hope in future this will be definitely helpful for you for working on any kind of data. Okay. Thank you all. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chandana.
So, students, we completed this 5 days project sessions. Okay, you can continue with your recording sessions. Thank you. Bye bye.